Hey guys, sometimes you may have a situation where you need to identify your current session, which means I connected to this SQL Plus and established a session with the database. I don't know what is the session details of this session, right? I have connected to this session. I can try and identify the other sessions which run SQL query and all these details, but now I don't run anything, but I need to check the current session details. This can be identified from VDLS session itself. We have a column called odd SID. This is the column. You can get session ID and serial number. So for all the sessions, these two details are very important. So whenever you try to identify the session details, you should be using these two columns every time. And apart from that, you can get the SQL ID, which is also an important column. You can check the state. State means whether the session is active or inactive. This will show you. And you can also check the event. Apart from that, you have blocking session. So if you need to check for any blocking sessions, we can use this column. Select all these columns from VDollar session where odd SID is equal to, we have a function called syscontext. So for auditing the particular SID, you have to use this syscontext function. Here you need to set the user env, which means user environment. So I'm going to give the value as session ID, which means I'm going to identify my current session. Now you can see the details over here. So this is my current session, and I ran this SQL ID now. So that's the reason it shows this SQL ID. If you check the SQL text, you can see the same query which I executed now. So that's how you identify the current session. So my current session detail is SID 117 and serial number